Hello everyone, how are you? Let's start our lesson. Present continuous. English Plus grade 7, page 21. Present continuous questions, яғни сұрақтар, and present simple. Now exercise 1. To be етістіктерін қоюымыз керек. I am, яғни сұраулы сөйлемде to be етістігі алдына көшеді. Am I, немесе are you ironing, is she ironing деп сұрақтар қойылады, иә? Енді exercise орындаймыз. Look at the picture. Write questions using present continuous. Яғни бұл сұраққа қарап отырып present continuous сұрағын қоюымыз керек. The first, what is Ben listening to? He's listening to the radio. Next, where are Kelly and Ben sitting? Олар қайда отыр? They are sitting on the sofa. What is Kelly wearing? Kelly не киіп алған? She is wearing white t-shirt and black jeans or trousers. Are they watching TV? No, they aren't watching TV. Is Kelly writing a text message? No, she is not writing text message. So, the next, make present questions, present continuous questions, яғни, мына екінші суретке қарап, present continuous сұраулы сөйлем жасаймыз. For example, is Kelly watching TV? No, she isn't. Next, who is listening to the radio? The boy is listening to the radio. Are they sleeping? No, they aren't. What are they doing? They are listening to the radio. Now exercise 4, present simple and present continuous. Дұрыс формаға қоямыз. For example, Damir makes his bed every morning. Ruslan and Aizari are clearing the table now. So, when does Natasha normally tidy her room? It's present simple. Anna is doing her homework at the moment. Ол қазір жұмысын жасап жатыр. They always walk to school at 8 o'clock. Are you having lunch now? Exercise 5. Write questions using present simple or continuous. So first, what are you doing now? Сен қазір не істеп жатсың? I am watching TV, for example. What does your mom always do at the weekend? She always cleans the house. What is your best friend doing at the moment? Сенің досың не істеп жатыр қазір? He is reading an English book. Where do you usually do your homework? I usually do my homework at school, for example. So we have finished. Goodbye.